Looking for a quick way to brighten your kitchen, hallway, or closet without hardwiring anything? Let me show you the under cabinet lights I didn't know I needed until now. This set comes with two 11-inch LED light bars and they pack a serious punch. 88 LEDs per light, a huge 42 mAh battery, and smart motion sensors. Let's start with battery life. One 4-hour USB-C charge gives you up to 12 hours on full brightness, or 1 to 2 months in motion sensor mode. That means no daily charging and no deadlights when you need it the most. Now here's the cool part. You get 4 motion sensor modes: on, off, night, and all day. Night mode only activates in low light, while all day mode works in any condition. Plus you can adjust the delay to 10 or 20 seconds, which is perfect for stairs or closets. You also get 3 color temperatures: warm, natural, and cool, and 5 brightness levels from 20% to 100%. Whether you want a soft night light or bright task lighting, you're covered. And check out the side lighting design. The LEDs reflect light evenly through a diffuser, so it's soft on your eyes but still super bright. You get up to 240 lumens, which is ideal for under cabinets, pantries, or hallways. Installation is beyond easy. It sticks magnetically to any iron surface, or use the adhesive-backed iron plates for anything else. I moved mine 3 times already and it didn't lose any stickiness. So if you're tired of bumping around in the dark or dealing with ugly wiring, these are a brilliant fix. Like this if you need better lighting. Subscribe for weekly finds. Product link is in the description.